Hello, financial enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we decode the complex world of trading and investing. Our mission is to take this seemingly intricate realm and simplify it into digestible nuggets of knowledge. Today, we're diving into the thrilling universe of trading and investing. It's a world filled with opportunities, excitement, and yes, a bit of risk. But as in any adventure, the potential rewards often outweigh the risks if navigated wisely. We'll be exploring the various aspects of this financial wonderland, from the basics of trading to the different strategies you can employ, and even the lingo that traders use. Of course, we'll also delve into the all-important topic of risk management, a crucial component in the world of trading. It's like having a safety net while walking a financial tightrope. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to financial literacy. First things first, what exactly is trading? Let's break it down. Picture yourself as a virtual shopkeeper in the bustling marketplace of the global economy. But instead of selling apples and oranges, you're dealing in stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies. The goal? To buy low and sell high, turning a tidy profit and making the metaphorical cash register ring. Imagine a game of Monopoly. Each player starts with a set amount of money, and the objective is to buy and sell properties to accumulate wealth. Now, replace those colorful paper bills with real money and the properties with financial assets. Voila! You've got trading in a nutshell. But trading isn't just about making money, although that's a pretty sweet part of the deal. It's also about the thrill of the game, the satisfaction of a well-executed strategy, and the pursuit of financial independence. Imagine lounging on a sun-soaked beach, sipping a cool drink, while your investments work hard for you, racking up profits. That's the dream many traders aspire to. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Trading also involves risk. It's like a roller coaster ride with exhilarating highs, stomach-churning lows, and everything in between. There's always the potential for loss as well as gain, but with careful strategy and risk management, you can navigate the ups and downs of the market. There's also a wealth of trading strategies to explore, from the fast-paced world of day trading to the patient game of long-term investing. It's like having a toolbox filled with different tools, each suited to a particular job. Depending on your goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment, you can choose the strategy that fits you best. In essence, trading is about making strategic moves in the financial market to turn profit. It's a game of skill, strategy, and a little bit of luck. But with knowledge, discipline, and a dash of daring, you too can join the ranks of successful traders, making your mark in the exciting world of finance. Now, trading isn't a one-size-fits-all game. There are various strategies to choose from. Picture a toolbox, each tool designed to achieve a specific task. Well, trading strategies are your financial tools, each crafted to fit a certain style of trading and align with your financial goals. Let's start with day trading. This is for those who love the thrill of the financial markets. It's like being a sprinter in the financial Olympics, buying and selling securities within a single trading day. The goal is to capitalize on small price fluctuations and hopefully cross the financial finish line with a profit. Remember, it's a fast-paced game, not for the faint-hearted. Next up, we have swing trading. This is more of a middle-distance race. Swing traders hold on to their securities for a few days or weeks, aiming to catch a wave of price momentum. It's like being a surfer, waiting for the perfect wave to ride. Patience and timing are key here. And then we have long-term investing. This is the marathon of the trading world. Long-term investors hold on to their securities for months or even years, with the aim of building wealth over time. It's like planting a money tree and patiently waiting for it to bear fruit. This strategy is great for those who prefer a slow and steady approach. Now, these are just a few of the numerous strategies out there. Each one has its pros and cons, and it's important to choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals, lifestyle, and risk tolerance. It's like choosing the right pair of shoes. You wouldn't wear stilettos to run a marathon, would you? So, take some time to explore, experiment, and find the strategy that fits you like a glove. It's a journey of self-discovery, a financial voyage where you're the captain of your own ship. Remember, the best trading strategy is the one that works for you. Before we dive further, let's familiarize ourselves with some trading jargon. Imagine you're in the bustling financial marketplace, ready to buy or sell. You place a market order, which is like telling a shopkeeper, "I'll take that apple for whatever price you're selling it at." Bam! You've made a trade at the current market price. Now, what if you wanted to ensure the price doesn't go above a certain limit? That's where a limit order comes in. It's like saying, "I'll buy that apple, but only if it's less than $2. And then there's leverage, which is essentially borrowing money to make bigger trades. It's like using a magnifying glass to make your trading power look bigger. But be careful, it can also magnify your losses. Understanding these terms is crucial to making informed trading decisions. With this trading lingo under your belt, you're one step closer to navigating the financial markets with confidence. Trading is thrilling, but it comes with its fair share of risks. That's where risk management comes in. Like a seasoned surfer riding the waves of the financial sea, a good trader knows how to navigate the ups and downs. The first rule of risk management: never risk more than you can afford to lose. It's like going on a shopping spree. Don't blow your entire paycheck on a single item, no matter how shiny it looks. Risk management in trading involves several key strategies. One of the most common is setting stop-loss orders. Picture it as your financial safety net, ready to catch your falling stocks before they hit rock bottom. By predetermining a price point at which you'll sell your investment, you can limit potential losses. It's like having a parachute when you're skydiving. You hope you'll never need it, but it's there just in case. Another essential strategy is diversification, or spreading your investments across a variety of assets. Think of it as a buffet. You wouldn't fill your plate with just one type of food, right? Likewise, by diversifying, you can protect yourself from the volatility of a single market. It's like spreading your eggs across different baskets. If one falls, you still have others. But perhaps the trickiest part of risk management is avoiding emotional decision-making. We've all been there, clinging to a losing investment, hoping it will turn around, or jumping on the bandwagon of a hot stock without doing proper research. It's like dating. Sometimes you need to take off those rose-colored glasses and see things for what they really are. To manage this, it's crucial to have a well-thought-out trading plan and stick to it, no matter what your emotions are telling you. Lastly, don't forget the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. The financial markets are like a giant, ever-changing puzzle, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. So keep your finger on the pulse, stay updated with market trends, and never stop learning. In summary, risk management is about balancing potential rewards with potential risks. It's about knowing when to hold them, when to fold them, when to walk away, and when to run. It's about using your head, not just your heart, and making informed decisions based on research and analysis, not just gut feelings. Remember, trading isn't just about making money, it's about managing risk, learning from mistakes, and continuously improving. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. And like any marathon, the key to success is preparation, perseverance, and a steady pace. With effective risk management, you can protect your investments and keep your financial goals on track. That's a wrap on our introduction to trading and risk management. We've journeyed through the labyrinth of trading, from understanding its core concepts to exploring various strategies and mastering the lingo. We've also tackled the roller coaster ride of risk, equipping you with tools to keep your financial journey on track. Remember, trading is like navigating a maze, but with knowledge and strategy, you can turn that maze into a thrilling adventure. It's about buying and selling in the bustling marketplace of finance, dancing in the financial rainstorm with finesse, and making your money work for you. It's a journey filled with excitement, opportunities, and challenges. Keep this thirst for knowledge alive. Continue exploring, learning, and experimenting with trading and investing. The labyrinth of trading is vast and complex, but with every step, you're getting closer to mastering its twists and turns. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. Check out our social media profiles and website for additional resources. Stay financially savvy, folks.